Are unwanted automatic payments draining your bank account? Let's put a stop to that. First, head over to Chase.com and log into your account using your username and password. Be sure to have your Chase mobile app handy, as you may need it for extra verification. Once you're logged in, look for the Pay and Transfer option, usually found at the top of the page along the menu bar, and go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. Find and select Automatic Payments from the list of options. This will take you to the section that manages all your recurring payments. Now you'll see a list of all the automatic payments you've set up. Find the specific payment you want to cancel. It is important to review the details to make sure it is the correct one. Click on the payment and get to the details page and look for a cancel payment or stop payment button. Note that the wording may vary slightly. Click on that button. A confirmation page will appear. Carefully review the details one last time and then click the confirm button to finalize the cancellation. And you're done. You should now see a confirmation message stating that your automatic payment has been successfully canceled. You are now in control of your scheduled transactions.